This P0362 repairing video is dedicated to Jeep's drivers. If your Jeep is getting a P0362 error code, this video is going to show you one practical solution to fix the error code at home. Use the Zeus app to scan your vehicle and see the error code P0362. It indicates that the Powertrain Control Module has detected a malfunction in the circuit of the engine's ignition coil at cylinder number 12. Here are one of the most practical solutions to fix Jeep's P0362 error code. Method A, the ignition coil. The ignition coil is either physically connected to the spark plug with wires, or it sits on top of the spark plug without using wires. First, carefully remove the ignition coil from the engine. Check to see if the ignition coil is either stained or damaged. If the ignition coil is covered with engine oil or stains, simply clean it with a WD-40 cleaner. Otherwise, replace the damaged ignition coil with a new one. So here are one of the most practical solutions to fix Jeep's P0362 error code. After the repair, you can now use the Zeus app to clear the error code. And tap the rescan button one more time to make sure everything is fine with your vehicle. To save more money on car expenses, claim a free engine code scanner at the description link below, or check out the video here for more info. You're also welcome to leave comments below. Our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.